Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for standing by if your first time. I really appreciate. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my lemon chapatis. And these chapatis are good with stew. They are good with especially black tea. You will really enjoy it. So I want to show you is something I've been making for years. I even can't remember where I learned it from, but I don't think I learned it from somewhere, but I'm one person who like just to experience things, okay? So if you will be interested in this kind of video, please stick around, and don't forget to leave a like if you'll find this video interesting. So let's get straight into the video. I am creating what we are going to be using is not the water from the lemon, but the skin of the lemon. So that's what I'm creating, and then I'll show you how to do it. I don't want to talk a lot, or rather I want you to learn and to just flow with the video, okay? So welcome once again to the video.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
Just like a disclaimer, this was my first time using this ajabu flour, and to say the truth, the chapati turned out good, very good, just as my usual chapatis. But I'll say I think I am used to using X and Dove. Sijui ni kwa nini, but I think I'm that old school. I'm used to using the two brands. But I'm not saying that this was bad, but ilikuwa tu ni kama tu I have to buy them for me to make chapatis and really feel like I'm making chapatis. Hope you get me. Hope you understand. So let's continue with the video.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you
The reason I'm using, forgive the background noise, the reason I'm using the spoon, I used the spoon at the start, the water was too hot, so I decided to koroga with the spoon before I now start making the dough by my hand, using my hand.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could.
Okay guys, forgive me for the lighting. I know especially in this video the quality of the video is too low, but we made our chapatis with all those discouragements or whatever, because I was not happy with the flour to start with, and the light is giving me shit. So just bear with me. I am hoping that one time I'm gonna buy a ring light to make everything stable. So our chapati is ready. Hata hivyo, they were so soft. They stayed for 3 days and they were soft. So guys, our dinner is served, ready and served. This is how I served mine, with a glass of cold water. I served my chapati with beans and a glass of cold water. yummy. Okay, I wish I could make some food for you to taste. But those who are near know that when I say they were so yummy, it is yummy. Okay? Yep. Okay, if you're still here with me at this particular juncture or time, I want to say a very big thank you. And also, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel because the channel is too small. Alafu tena, you are now welcome to my fridge. I'm showing you this because I am planning by the end of the month to buy some fridge containers or organizers. So I want to share with you the journey from here. I know I have another video which I was cleaning, but this one I'm not cleaning, just take a tour. But after this, now I'll show you the upgrade of the fridge. Okay, so on my door have sodas, jam, yogurt, and some juice, some sauces, an alcohol can for baby. And now I know that when I upgrade, I will let you know. Okay, we will do that with you guys because you are my family. Sawa sawa. I have my ndimus or lemon here. I have my ginger. I have some carrots here because, guys, I don't have the containers to store the food in the fridge, but I'm trying, or I am planning to buy them. So just bear with me for a while. I just throw this one in the Ziploc bags, and then I put them here just for refreshments and for them to be fresh or to maintain their freshness. Does it make sense? And then I have some oranges here. We have already eaten a bunch of it, and even 2 apples. They're waiting for the small man of the house. And then I want to go down. And then down here, I have some leftover spaghetti of yesterday's lunch. So tulibakisha, and I think I'll make it maybe today when I come back with my son, or in the evening for dinner. Then here I have some leftover donuts. I will eat it when I come back. I have some leftover mbuzi here. Tulikula tukabakisha jana. Then down here, I have my mala for ugali. Mala, and then I have some fresh milk here. You can see the box is not here, but yeah, these ones are the one I stock in the fridge. Zikiisha tena naongezea. And then I have coconut cream here. So that is how the fridge look like. And then this plate ninaekeanga fruits hapo juu ya fridge, on the top of the fridge, but I just thought it is good to put it here inside here and then store my milk peppers. But I have decided to store in my milk, or I'll change it and then I'll put here these things, and then the milks I'll just arrange them here. You will see. Forgive my sounds, guys, my voice. Then down here we have some spinach. I have been having this spinach for 3 days, and they're as very fresh. And then here I have my tomatoes, which are ribed. I'm going to use them, or I'll blend them and then put the sauce ndani ya fridge, because naona zikiharibika. Some of them are overripe. Sawa, kizungu si mdomo changu. So I also put here this lemon here, just for the freshness and to avoid the bad smell, just the same way I do it na kwa mlango. And then hapa here, chuchu, have some sausages. I didn't clean this space because I didn't have the time, or rather I was lazy. So I have my 2 packs of sausages. These are smokies. Down here is some maize, the one we made mokimo with, and ikabaki. And then here kuna maharagwe beans hata huko nyuma. Okay, so this is how our fridge look like. Nasimamia wapi ndo nichukue yote. Karaka hivi, karafanana hivi.